Hello viewers, welcome again on Cambridge campus. Already we have discussed accounting equations, assets, liabilities. So today we will move a little bit advanced, business transactions and accounting equation. Business transaction in fact are economic events recorded by accountants. In the business there would be many events that might be affecting accounting equations, means affecting the financial position of the business, affecting assets or liabilities, or some events might not. So the events that will affect the financial position, accountant must record these events. Like if you see in the diagram, purchase computer, will we record or not? Of course we will record, because when you are buying something you are paying money, so this event must be recorded. Same in the next picture, discuss product design with potential customers, will we record or not? Of course no, this is just like discussion, that is not affecting on business financial position. Same in the third picture, you can see pay rent, definitely we will record it. Now the question is, how will we record it? You see, I have chosen some transactions and you will see how each transaction will affect accounting equation. Accounting equation we have already done, asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So see the first transaction, investment by owner. Reniel starts a smartphone app development company which he names SoftBite on September 1st, 2019. He invests $15,000 cash in the business. This transaction results in an equal increase in assets and owner's equity. If you see in the diagram, assets, cash is increasing by 15,000. Same on the other side, equity is also increasing by 15,000. So as we have already done, asset side must be equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. See the next transaction, purchase of computer for cash. SoftBite purchase computer equipment for $7,000 cash. This transaction results in an equal increase and decrease in total asset, though the composition of assets changes. If you buy a computer by 7,000 cash, so you see cash is decreasing by 7,000 and equipment is increasing by 7,000, and even after this transaction accounting equation is balanced, means assets are same 50,000, equity is also 15,000. Third transaction, purchase of supplies on credit. SoftBite purchased 1600 from Mobile Solution headsets and other computer accessories on credit from Mobile Solutions, and it allows SoftBite to pay this bill in October. So how this will affect to the accounting equation? If you see in the asset side, supplies or inventory is increasing by 1600, and same on the other side, liability is also increasing by 1600. Same after this transaction, accounting equation is balanced. Debit side, asset side is 16,600, and same liability and equity side is also 16,600. So in short, business transaction can affect on accounting equation by 5 different ways. One way could be only asset and liabilities effect, mean if asset will increase, liability will also increase. Same, only asset and equity effect. In this case, if asset increase, equity will also increase. Third case could be only assets effect, mean one asset is increasing, other asset is decreasing, as we have seen in the last case. Only assets and liabilities effect, mean if asset decrease, liability will also decrease. Only assets and equity effect, mean if asset decrease, equity will also decrease. How? You can see in this chart. Buys inventory $200 on credit from Mr. A. In this case, asset is increasing, liability is also increasing, and equity no effect. If owner invest 500 into business bank account, in this case, asset increase, equity increase, but liability no effect. Third case, business buys vehicles on cash. So one asset, vehicle is increasing and cash is decreasing. Liability, capital, no effect. Business pays cash $200 to Mr. A that was payable in the first transaction. In this case, asset is decreasing, liability is also decreasing. And last case, owner withdraw 100 cash for personal use. In this case, asset is decreasing and equity is also decreasing. So such type of question could come in the exam. It is exam passable question, IG's O level. Jennifer cousin John is a sole trader. He started his business on 1st October. He introduced capital 30,000, of which he paid 25,000 into business bank account. The table shows the account balance following transaction that have taken place. In the 1st October, you see bank 25,000, cash 5,000 and capital 30,000. So the question is state for each date the transaction which has taken place. 6 marks. 1st October, 2nd October, 3rd October and 4th October. What happened basically in assets, liabilities and capital part. So you see in the first part, owner capital is increasing by 30,000 and bank and cash both are also increasing by 30,000. So what does it mean? Very simple. It means owner has invested. Same on the 2nd October. If you see what changes has happened in this, office equipment has been increased by 1,500 and cash is decreased by 1,500. It means business bought office equipment by cash. Same 3rd October, what changes happened? Motor vehicle increased by 10,000 and same payable also increased by 10,000. It means motor vehicle bought on credit. In the last transaction, if you see cash is decreased by 1,000 and same capital is also decreased by 1,000. It means owners withdraw 1,000 from the business cash. So I have written the answer as well. You can see 1st October what happened. John introduced capital of which some was banked and some kept in cash. What happened on 2nd October? Purchase office equipment for cash. So 1 is shown 1 mark. 3rd October what happened? Purchase motor vehicle on credit. 4th October took drawings in cash. So come to the MCQ side. What type of MCQs could come about this business transaction topic? Jane made a payment to supplier bought on credit. What is the effect on accounting equation? If you see you are paying to the supplier, so asset is also decreasing and liability is also decreasing. So you see decrease capital, decrease asset, decrease liability, decrease asset. Of course B is right answer. Asset is also decreasing and liability is also decreasing. Which increase owner's capital? You see there are 4 options again, A, B, C, D, and if you see the last option, transfer of vehicle to business from private use, it means owner was using this vehicle and he transferred his own vehicle to the business. So right answer is D. Third, business purchases a motor vehicle on credit. What is the effect of this? Very simple, asset is increasing and liability is also increasing. It increased non-current assets, it increased owner's capital, it reduced net profit, it reduced bank balance. Of course, very simple, answer is A, it increased non-current asset because motor vehicle is non-current asset. Which will increase the current assets? Current assets we have already done in the first lesson, means inventory, trade receivable, bank or cash, payment of creditors, receipt of check, receipt of cash from trade receivable and repayment of bank loan by check. So answer is B, receipt of check from a bank loan, because bank loan is a liability and you got this loan from the bank and you got by check cash. So B is right answer. So I conclude my lesson. In each transaction, asset side must be affected, but there can be possibility that only liability and equity side affects. For example, owner pays cash to Mr. A from his personal fund, so liability and equity both decrease. Here both means equity is increasing and liability is decreasing. So we will later on discuss about this increase and decrease will convert debit and credit. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel, and inshallah I will upload all videos on IG's O levels and A levels accounting. Thank you.